Hey friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now in this channel you get all the videos related to Tally ERP 9, then we are also starting with Tally Prime, then GST e-filing, income tax e-filing and various accounting concepts. Okay friends, now our today's topic is based on that how you have to make the insurance entry which you have paid for your car. Okay, suppose you have paid the insurance expenses for your car, then how you have to make the journal entry. The basic rule of journal entry goes as insurance expense account to debit to cash or bank account. Now where you have to place this insurance? Okay, now some insurance or the payments of some insurance are deductible, that is you can expense it off in your profit and loss account, while some other you have to directly enter in your balance sheet. Now many of you get confused that which all insurance expenses you have to enter in your profit and loss account and which all you have to capitalize it. Okay, now let's go to balance sheet. You will have a clear understanding of that. Okay, now first of all I will go to fixed asset and see that which car is belonging to my books of accounts. So here you can see that I'm having Mahindra XUV, but I'm also having another car as Tata Tiago and I have paid insurance for both the cars. Okay, suppose I have paid the insurance for Mahindra XUV as 20,000 and for my Tata Tiago as 15,000. Then how you have to make the entry for insurance expenses? Okay, now first of all I will go to accounting vouchers. Okay, so as I said, the basic journal entry of insurance is insurance expense account debit to cash or bank account. Okay, so suppose I have paid by bank. Okay, so I will select one SBI account and I will create insurance on Mahindra XUV. Alright, now as you can see that Mahindra XUV is recorded in my books of account, that is the asset is existing in my books of accounts, then I can directly make it as deductible. Okay, so I have to group it as indirect expenses and it will be deducted from my business records, that is I can show it directly in my profit and loss account. So as I said that I paid 20,000 on Mahindra XUV. Okay, so by check I have made the payment. Okay, here you can write the check number as well as being insurance expense paid. Okay, now secondly, as I told you that I am having another car as Tata Tiago, but Tata Tiago is not existing in my records. Okay, so the asset which you are having but it is not recorded in your books of account, then that insurance or the expenses on that car, okay, you should directly capitalize it. Okay, you should enter it as drawings only, or you can simply make them under the group as capital account, but you cannot deduct it from your business records, that is you cannot show it under profit and loss account. You are allowed to show the expenses for that assets which is existing in your books of account. As Tata Tiago is not existing in my books of account, so I cannot make the insurance entry into my profit and loss account. Okay, but still you have made the payment. Okay, suppose you have made the payment and then how you have to, I will create as insurance on Tata Tiago and you can simply group it as under capital account. Okay, this expense is not deductible. Okay, and I have paid 15,000 on it by check only. Okay, so being insurance expense paid, accepted. Okay friends, now how this transaction will look as in your profit and loss account, you can see that under indirect expenses you can see insurance on Mahindra XUV. Yes, we have provided as a deduction of this expense because this asset Mahindra XUV is existing in my books of accounts, but as Tata Tiago is not existing in my books of accounts and I am a proprietor, I am using Tata Tiago but it is not recorded in my books of accounts, then directly I have to enter it under capital account. Okay, so you have entered insurance on Tata Tiago as in balance sheet under capital account. Okay, this expense is not deductible because that asset is not existing in your records. Alright friends, I hope you must have understood the difference that which insurance you have to deduct from your business records and which expenses you have to simply capitalize it. Alright friends, so this was about insurance on car. I will come with new videos on many other topics related to accounting records. So till then, do subscribe my YouTube channel and keep supporting. Thank you so much.